Google's AI just beat the world's best programmers, and it wasn't even close. This breakthrough came from DeepMind's Gemini 2.5, a next-gen AI designed for problem-solving. At the International Collegiate Programming Contest, the brightest human coders competed head-to-head. These contests push logic, speed, and creativity to the absolute limit. But Gemini 2.5 tapped into raw processing power and advanced reasoning no human could match. In seconds, the AI tackled problems that left entire teams stuck. While humans hit walls, the AI kept moving, faster, smarter, relentless. It cracked a puzzle so complex that no human could solve it in time. And for the first time ever, an AI claimed gold. This wasn't just faster typing, it was true reasoning, logic, and strategy. If AI can already outthink coders, what happens when it takes on science, medicine, or even running companies? Some experts are asking the question no one wants to answer. Is this the first real step toward AGI? So I'll ask you, would you trust AI to code your future? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more AI breakthroughs every week.